Hello. Right, well, while I'm doing these videos for these RC plant, I might as well make a video of my digger. It's not a real hydraulic one. I want to get a real hydraulic one, but man, they're expensive. I can't afford one, not with all the car problems I've got at the minute. All my car's going wrong, but I bought this off eBay actually. It's a replica of a Komatsu PC 1250. Videoing this with my iPhone yet again, so it's taken a while. But it's not that bad actually, it's pretty nice. Small, it's alright. I've got the light on my phone because it's pretty dark in this room and the light don't really do much, so I put the light on my camera on my phone there. I was digging some sand with this, it's got a bit of sand on it still. Look at that. But it's pretty cool, and you get this little, compared to the remote that you'd normally get, you get one of those normally, the radio transmitter. But you get one of these. It's alright, you got forward and reverse for the left track, and you got the same for the right track there. You got arm there, and you got boom and bucket. So yeah, it's alright. Let's see if I can. It's difficult to operate it with one hand, you see. So let's see if I can prop you up somehow. Let's see what we've got here to prop you up with. See if we can use the flip HD. That's sort of it. Thing is, because it's infrared controlled, the controls get mixed up quite often. So you go to do one thing and it'll do the other, and then all of a sudden it'll do what you asked it to do. The only thing is, it was alright when it was new, but I don't know, something must have come loose somewhere, but the tracks, they keep slipping. The gears, they're very small gears, and they just tend to slip. It's not the best of quality. But it is a fairly good built machine. It's metal, most of it. It's not hydraulic. It's controlled by cogs, but it don't go 360. It goes all the way around to there. About there, then it stops. Same for the other way. All the way around to there. These batteries are quite flat, by the way. This is something to shelf for about a month with the same batteries in it. Goes about there and then stops. So kind of does go 360. Well, no, it doesn't really, does it? It goes 180 thereabouts. No, I don't know. To me, if it goes all the way around back to where it starts, it's 360. If you start there and you go back round, it's 360 in it. But it's good that you can operate the bucket separately, because on some of the diggers, like what is it, Hobbycraft, the bucket only operates when you go down a certain way, and then it'll operate. It's just by a pivot joint. Whereas it's good with these ones, you can operate it like a real hydraulic digger, and you can do it all simultaneously as well. And it is strong enough to lift itself up, believe it or not. really just, which is quite handy. You can do it like that. Oh, you can track any dirt off. But as you can see, they get stuck even doing that without driving. If anyone has I'm in England. If anyone's in England, or even in America, or anywhere, Holland, or wherever, is willing to ship me it, I'm after a proper hydraulic one. You know, so if anyone's got a second-hand one that they want to let go for relatively cheapish, let me know. I'll be really interested. But there it is. Sweet, eh?